Welcome to this meditation for emotional balance. Make sure you are in a comfortable position and you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything for the duration of this session. If you need anything before we begin, simply pause and take care of those things. I will be here waiting for your return. Today, you will find that all emotions are simply just that, emotions. The more that we can approach what is happening emotionally as neither good nor bad, the better we are at allowing the experience of all kinds of moods and thoughts, letting them flow freely. We have a tendency in our current worldwide culture to hold on to emotions, thus getting ourselves trapped in undesirable states of mind. Let's begin. If you have not already, please close your eyes, and as you do, you notice a gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over your entire body from head to toe, or toe to head if you prefer. If you can, become aware of a slight tingling sensation in your fingers. At first, you may not feel anything at all, or perhaps it is very strong the moment you place your attention on it. No matter which, experience how the more you think about this tingling in your hands, the stronger it becomes. Enjoy this feeling and observe it with the curiosity of a child. We were all children once, and even if your particular childhood may have memories of sadness, perhaps you can draw on a single moment of pure innocence. It could be as simple as sliding down a slide or drawing with crayons. It could be eating that well-deserved birthday cake. Capture this moment and apply this childhood sense of delight towards the tingling in your hands. This sensation is neither good nor bad. It just is. It is something that is attainable by anyone, no matter how young or old. A moment of 100% purity is something we have all experienced. Right now is another one of those times. This feeling in your hands can be referred to as energy, power, force, or innate abilities. What if I told you that this feeling in your hands could be felt throughout your entire body, simply by imagining it everywhere? It carries with it a gentle relaxation and a sense of flow and movement. Experience this amazing sensation for a few moments now, as you listen to the relaxing music. Now, take this energy force and apply it to your mind and emotions. The flowing movement and sense of non-judgment, and bring awareness to something that has recently concerned you, which brought about some hurtful emotions. Feel the troublesome emotion rise, and sit with it as if you were just along for the ride, or as if you are a child sliding down a slide. You know how you feel about this certain thing, but during this state of relaxation, along with the power that you generated first in your fingers, you are able to let go of the attachment to this emotion, letting it pass on by, just as all the sounds around you pass through your ears. It is a simple technique to observe how your emotions call out different thoughts. Each thought is begging for your attention, Yet, all the while, you've had the ultimate choice of what you choose to believe and what you choose to let go of. All emotions are valid, so all must be acknowledged. If you begin to deny how you really feel, this is what causes an emotion to become trapped, causing it to rise over and over again until you truly let yourself experience it. Feel yourself pushing past any fear as you now experience any lingering sadness that you have not dealt with. Allow for yourself to feel truly sad right now. Here, you are completely relaxed and safe. Good. Notice now how the sad feelings are dwindling and your body is returning to balance. This is how it feels to move through an emotion the way we were intended to. Let's cultivate the feeling of joy and happiness right now by remembering a time when you were so very happy. Allow the emotion to build in you and notice where in your body you experience delight. Perhaps this is something recent that brought up the feeling of joy, or maybe it was long ago. Either way, immerse yourself in pure bliss. Allow it. Good. Noticing now how the happy feelings are subsiding and your body is gently returning to balance once again after fully experiencing this emotion. Now, become fully aware of what this neutral state feels like. Neither sad nor happy, just here and now, floating along in time and through space. Heightened emotions have come. Now they're gone. Your emotional state in this moment is that of harmony. Allowing for your emotional states to be fluid is the way to cultivate never-ending balance. We're going to go through one more round of experiencing anything that you have not retained balance over. So right now, simply open up to allow in any emotion that needs to be addressed in order for it to remain in harmony. Whatever it is, sadness, happiness, fear, doubt, passion, anxiety. Let it blossom to the surface right now in all its glory and vivid memories. Cry if you need to cry. Laugh if you need to laugh. Do whatever you are called to do in this moment of solitude and compassion. No one is watching you, and nothing is expected of you. Feel how after allowing these emotions to come to a head, they begin reducing in intensity, thus returning to a natural state of balance. Truly experience a state of stabilization, happening automatically. Now we're going to come back to the present moment, bringing back a new ability to truly honor your emotions, which allows them to balance out on their own. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes, feeling a new inner balance.